Have you ever gotten thirsty scrolling through Discord trying to find the first message? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to drink water correctly. Join my Discord link in the description. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to drink water. Take your water bottle, take the cap off. Flip it. If it's tails, pour the water from the water bottle into the bowl. Like so. What a nice sound. If heads, pour the water from the water bottle into the bowl. Look at that. How relaxing. Then take your bowl, put it in the freezer. Let it freeze. Then when it's done, take it out. That's pretty frozen. And then put it on a plate. Smash it with a spoon a couple times for good measure. Maybe the ice is too strong, but you know, keep hitting it anyway. Here's a nice time lapse of me melting the ice. I'd say it's pretty nice. You know, I did actually use a hairdryer halfway through. That's that blue thing. I did use a hairdryer to melt it because I was getting tired of waiting. But you know, and there. Then take the water from that plate, pour it into a cup, or a glass in this case. Then take that glass, pour it into a 1 cup measuring cup. Doesn't matter if it's full or not, just put it in. Then take a plastic bag and pour the water from the measuring cup into that plastic bag. Carefully. Yeah, I spilled a lot, but whatever. Then take that plastic bag, throw it in the freezer. Okay, you probably don't want to throw it, it'll break, but still. Then take it out once it's done freezing. It's mostly frozen, it's good enough. Then have a taste test. Yeah, it was really crunchy. Pretty good. Yeah, see? Then pour it into a cup. Doesn't matter if it's melted or not. Then pour that cup into a larger bowl. Still a chunk of ice, but... Then pour that bowl into a smaller cup. Then pour that cup into the sink. Then, next, take the water bottle you still have and drink from that. You just got completely played. Put the cap on the water bottle. That's how you drink water correctly.